Continuing a sacred legacy that dates back to the era of the Tripura Kings Manikya Dynasty, the Jamatia Hoda, the apex socio-religious body of the Jamatia community, performed its traditional annual puja on Monday. Thousands of devotees gathered at the historic Mata Tripura Sundari Temple and Udaipur Shiv Bari to offer prayers as per their ancient custom. The annual pilgrimage to Udaipur held during the first week of the month of Chaitra is a vital ritual for the Jamatia community. It serves as a formal spiritual invitation to the deities Baba Garia and Ma Kali ahead of the major statewide Garia Puja celebration. Led by the two Hoda Akras of the supreme leaders of the community, the devotees perform elaborate rituals.
Jamatia nirje riti niti tongani Baba Garia puja ingya kosani saka ek mas age sang Baba na puja khlaini wa je boli protha tongani sei boli no Baba ke yasakya Baba Garia ke yasakya haini bangai ama tini bhagavati no Mata Tripura Sundari no puja somoyo je boli yasak haini bangai sang protibosarna amano mabaten apayan maklaye nimantran maklaye boni upolokhotina tini joto Jamatia Hoda thulaye oro jagabo sang ama Mata Tripura Sundari no puja khlaye omon boni mul karon
Reported by Rajiv from Udaipur, Chini, Khorang.